all of you are doing good. Today I will show you how you can actually add product reviews on your Shopify product page. So for that we need to install the Product Reviews app, which is a free app from the Shopify App Store. Getting the product reviews from your customers is very important. So let us see how you can add that and make your store to get more customer reviews.
First, you need to go to your Shopify dashboard and then you have to click on apps, and here you can actually type for the app called Product Reviews by Shopify. Now you will be redirected to the Shopify App Store. Scroll down and here you can see this app called Product Reviews by Shopify. Okay, so this is the free app that Shopify provides us. So just make sure this Product Reviews app by Shopify is the one that you select. Click on that. So here you see this is a free app and you can click on Add App. Next, you will be redirected to the app installation page. On top, you click on Install App button over here. Now our app is installed. Next thing what we need to do is go to Online Store, click on Customize. I want to add the product reviews on the product page. Since I wanted to add the product reviews on the product page, I have to click over here and we need to choose the product template. So I'm choosing my default product template. Now you can choose where you want to show the reviews app. I wanted to add the reviews just below the share icon over here. So I have to click on this add block button over here. When you click on add block, you can see a section called apps. So from that you can choose which app you need to add. So we have two sections in the app that we installed, to show the reviews over here, also to show the star rating. Now I wanted to add the reviews over here, so I have to click on this product reviews. Okay, now you see here we have this block called customer reviews coming over here. Since I don't have any reviews yet, that is why it is not showing there. Now if any of my customer wants to write a review, let's see now how it will look on the front end now. So this is my one of the product page that I have. Now you can see that the customer reviews block have come over here. So I am going to click on write a review, and I can type my name, then my email ID, then what is the rating I am going to give for this product. Give any title for the review, I can give that. These things I can give, and I can actually submit a review. And let us refresh and see if the reviews is showing now. The reviews have come on the page. So in this way you can actually get the product reviews from your customers by installing the Product Reviews app. Next thing, let me show you, if you don't want to show it over here and you want to show it as a section, that way also we can do that. So I will just hide this section from here, and then what I have, and if I will hide this section from here. Next, if you want to add it as a section, you can click on add section button, which is at the bottom, and then if you scroll down here also you can see that from the apps you can add that. Now click on reviews app. It will look like a section now rather than a blog. And if I save it, and now let us bring it up just below our product description and details, and now you see the section has come over here like that, which looks much better than showing it just below as a blog. So in this way, as a block or as a section, you can add the customer reviews. You can see how it will look. So it looks much neater than showing it as a block. It would be good if we actually show the star rating just below our product title. Now let us see how to do that. So for that I am going to add a block over here called star rating. And now I'm going to save it, and after adding the block, let us bring the star ratings block to the top just below our title. Okay, product title. Sorry, this is the product title. Just below the product title, let us bring it, and let's see how it looks. Okay, so we have bought it at the top just below our product title, and now you can see that we have the star rating for the product just below the product itself, so the customers can easily see the rating of the product over here. There are options in the app that allows you to customize the ratings and the reviews. So let us see how to do that. So if you click on the star rating, here you can see an option called star color. So if we change this option, you can actually change the colors of the stars. So by default it is black in color. Now let us try changing its color. I'm going to select that color. Okay, and if I want to increase the size of the star also, I can increase the size of the star here to the front end of the website and see how it is affected. So colors of the stars have changed, also the size of the stars also have increased. Now if you see, it is actually center aligned, but let us bring our stars to left align so that it is in line with our other texts that we have here. So for that also we have an option called alignment here. So I'm going to choose left align, and I'm going to click save, and let us refresh and see. Okay, the rating have come to the left side, and it is all aligned with my product title and my variance, quantity, everything, and it looks neat now. Now I want to show you some more settings that we have in the app itself. You can see that we have certain settings over here. You can actually enable or disable whether you have to auto publish your reviews. So in our case, initially it was enabled, so that's why soon after somebody entered a review, it was actually shown on the website. If I set it as disabled, what happens is it wouldn't be auto published. When somebody adds a review, on approval from the admin side only the review will be published on the website. So if you want, you can actually disable it so that you can go through each review and then publish those reviews based on what the customer has added. If you add the product reviews like this, it will also be shown on the on Google. When somebody searches for your product like this, it will show, and it will help to increase your organic traffic with these reviews being shown over here like this. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding this, please do ask us in the comment section below.
Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please do subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Also, leave a like if you like the video. Thank you.